say it like that. Look, if I only want a 12 egg, I say dozen. If I want a 12 dozen egg, I say 12 egg. Easy. Egg means a dozen means a 12 egg. What's your problem? Hello? Hello? Not even talking to him. I'm still not interested, Gerald Paparazzi boy.
I'm actually just here to see Mrs. Kim.
She's for sure not interested in you making a picture.
No, I just need to show her something.
What?
Her photos? After you declined, I asked Mrs. Kim and she said yes.
You walk into my store like a crazy porno picture taker and tell me you take a photo of my wife?
Yes, but okay, they're not naked photos. I cannot
And
express
negative
that.
too.
It's all digital and tasteful.
Password.
I'll just
Password.
I'll show you.
I just show you. Password.
You're not supposed to give people your passwords. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4. Please, Mr. Kim, I can.
You know
I can.
too many bad passwords? iPad lockdown. You know how to fix iPad
I
lockdown?
don't know how to fix it. Okay. It's 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the photo folder is just there.
You take this photo?
Yeah.
It's good.
Thanks, Mr. Kim. It's like the
It's
first
a
time
very
you've ever
good.
said,
Okay, I accept.
what?
If you do this with Mrs. Kim, think what you can do with an interesting face.
You know what? I'm already done the assignment.
Hey,
Hey,
Look how beautiful, huh?
wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, he do me next.
You do what next?
I do him next. But no, I don't do him. He wants me to take a picture of him, but I can't. I'm such a busy week.
Oh, Gerald play hardball, huh? Okay. I commission you take a picture of me, like a Renaissance time. I pay to you one pop every day for the rest of my life.
I actually don't even like pop.
But do you like a free pop?
Tastes identical. Why don't you just ask Janet?
That's okay, I'm pretty busy too.
Okay. 2 free pop. $5.
Hey, it's your call.
Okay. But can we change it to a bag of chips?
Small bag only, ketchup chip, nothing crude.
Okay.
Okay, Janet. Have a good shit. I practice taste that shit.
I'm just telling you what I've heard. And according to one of your colleagues, they say you used your hands to anally penetrate.
What?
Hey, don't sexually harass the messenger. Not that you would.
No, I wouldn't. Where's this coming from?
He's requested that his name, or she, her name, or his, remain anonymous, but this is a very serious complaint.
I think I know what this is about, and it's just a huge misunderstanding.
I'm sure it is. I made it very clear that you have never once been sexually inappropriate with me or anybody else, and I'm very aware of that kind of thing.
It's called a dongji.
Is that prison slang?
No, it's Korean. So dong means poop, and jin means needle. So like a poop needle. It's the same way.
Okay, I'm picturing a wedgie, but I feel like you would have to work very hard to get to the point of penetration.
There's no penetration. It's just a prank that Korean kids like to do. Hey, you put your hands in the prayer position. And
So this is a religious thing.
no, it's just how you put your hands, and then you just give a quick jab for fun.
So you jab the anus for fun.
It's kind of nothing to do with the anus. Okay, just forget about the anus.
I'd like to, but you
It's just a quick little poke in the bum that Korean guys do to each other, like at church. I don't know how to explain this, right?
Okay, you know what? I think I get it, and it even sounds kind of fun. But if this got back to head office, it could be considered harassment.
Head office knows about this?
No, but if Kimchi or her decides to file a formal complaint, I have no choice but to send this on up.
Kimchi dongjings me all the time.
Okay, so this is more widespread than I thought. I need you to go find Kimchi and resolve this now. Without using dongjin or anything else that might be sexually confusing or ambiguous or intriguing at all.
It's really beautiful, huh?
Perfect for your touch. Touch.
wall is too full, no balance. Have to take one away.
Take out.
Yeah.
But that's the one I took.
Wow, that's a best funeral photo. Yeah. You remember Mr. Chang funeral photo? Photo was from roller coaster ride at Shanghai Wonderland.
Mr. Chang was really scared.
Like he knew he was going to hell, huh? That is just so beautiful, huh? Like you're going to heaven.
You're not getting that ice pack up a little further?
I wouldn't joke about this, bro.
Kim, you're not serious.
This is a really interesting pamphlet.
You could get fired for this.
Maybe you should have thought of that before you repeatedly try to force your hands on me without consent.
It was just a dongjing.
Please don't dongjing me again. I really don't need any more anxiety, loss of appetite, or social isolation.
He's not being serious. And he does it to me all the time. It's just a little nudge with your fingers, and it's like if I gave you a wedgie or a pink belt, which I would never do. But if I did, which I wouldn't, then just be for fun. But I wouldn't.
So, are you mad at me?
No?
Are you mad generally?
No. Well, kinda. Sorta. Yes.
Okay.
I'm just thinking I've been focusing too much on photography, you know?
You're a way better photographer than I am.
Apparently not.
Okay, let's do this one, huh?
Hi, Mr. Kim.
Are you wearing makeup?
It's a Korean style lotion. For Jero take my picture. And what you see? With a golf trophy, a church tournament. We go outside. I'll show you my part.
I hope that Vegas is worth it.
Not just a bag of chips. One bag of chips every day for the rest of my life. If I die
Oh, those
how I
too
do
fast.
chips,
Swimming one.
and if you die first, how you get to chip
You saw that, eh?
Just to take a picture.
Yeah.
Thank you all for coming to this little meeting.
I said it was mandatory.
Okay. I think we've all noticed a
That
little
one?
bit of tension around the office lately, so I just wanted to get the gang together and nip this in the bud. A lot of people mispronounce that word.
Sorry, what is this about?
Well, let's see how to get and turn to see if it's
Look at that. Right there.
around the room using only our necks.
Pull it out.
Sexual to some people in different cultures. Why are you looking at me? There are only 5 people here. I have to look at someone acquainted who needs to be sensitive racially and sexually and sexually.
Like that.
And if you two can get
I wasn't apologizing to you. I was apologizing to everyone else.
Malit din yun eh. Kaya lang hindi ko sila nagkakamer malit o. Sledgehammer yun.
But I'm sure as friends, we might find some common ground.
Oh, we're not friends.
We're not.
No.
Okay, this might be a good time for a little break. Fun. Just gonna go. Thank you for coming. Yeah, Terrence, you can go. Yeah.
Why don't you tell me what you're going for, and I'll tell you how
Sa. At natin sa. Let's use this one to mark it. Ba, kunin mo na yung mga sticker. Ayun. Pwede ka. Hmm? Hindi pa tapos. Hindi. Kailangan ipulong mo. Ha? Hindi. Basta. Kung nails pa. Pero tatanggalin na yung nails, papalitan natin ang screw.
Saan?
Can I do it while you're doing it or not?
Using the wood. Papalitan lang natin ang screw.
Sino mo to?
Hindi ako.
Ang may utot.
Wala kayo. Hop. Test ito muna. Tension position.
Kuya, paano to maano yung
Sabi. Tension position.
Papalitan?
Kuya, okay nang maano yung wood nito? Ang lalim eh.
Dahan-dahanin mo lang. Yung mga mark lang mo, no? Dahan-dahanin mo. Okay lang. Yung cut. Yung 3 Good. Sure, alam niya.
Baka may papalitan pa.
Ano ba yung ano, Michael, bakit may mga tape pa yun?
Maganda palitan yung mga naka-usil.
Michael, bakit may mga tape pa yan? Hindi ka pala tapos yun. Ha? Ano ba gagawin dyan? Hindi, okay na yan. Tanggal na yan. Eh, meron ng screw eh.
So ito,
Parang, ere, kung mga ito raw. Hindi, ikaw yan. Ako lang yung sticker na yan. Ha? Ano mo yung sticker na yan? Hindi, yan pa nga. Eh, paano hindi ko alam? Pagtanggal ko na lahat yan, wala yung marker. Hindi. Okay na, ano yung iba? Ito na, ito wala pang screw. Tanggalin mo. Pero tanggal na. Ay, hindi. Tanggal.
maluwag.
Tatanggalin mo pa ako.
Tanggalin ko.
Tandaan. Parang yun. Yung may mga sticker, checkan nyo ha. Ano, Krista?
Malalim.
Mahaba yan eh. Hindi pwede ito. Maybe.
It's actually 4.
Nagkaharap na lang ito para hindi masakyan.
It's actually 4.
Wala nang kahoy eh.
Wala na, bitak na.
Oh no, that is 4.
Ikalso mo dito. Eric, wait. Basta ganyang ano, maangat. Kalso mo na yan.
Kuya, nabitak.
Yan. Tapos, yan.
Hindi. Pwede na hilahin ito.
Ayun o, Eric lalagyan.
Pero ano siya, oh. Tama gumagalaw siya eh.
Dagdagan lang na ano, tornilyo.
Subukan nga po na ano naman.
Kunin mo mali. Mali ba ako?
Ay, ito pa pala may mark ko. Diba?
Ayaw nga.
Nakalimutan.
tayong kahoy. Kaya mo muna yun.
Pwede pa yan.
Ay, tinatanggal ko na wala.
Baka.
Ay,
Ayaw.
ay ito.
Ay, bago. Dagdagan na lang.
Naku, mababasag to. Pwede ba tong isa lang? Kasi ano na to eh.
Mababasa.
Oo, mababasag to. Ito hindi ko na ano. Konti lang. Oo nga. Ay, isa lang? O tanggalin ko. Kasi bitak ko na eh. Mababasag.